I am back in North Wales again. Karen has joined me on this one. Don't know if you can see her by there. Today we're going to take a hike up to Mynydd Mawr. Haven't been up there before. It's not a massive mountain. It's just shy of 700 metres. It's a cold day, it's around 4 degrees. It's been quite cold of late. As you can see, there's a bit of ice around. So that's where we're heading up there. Going to take a hike up and have a look around for some future wild camping spots. I've got a route on our OS maps. I think it takes around an hour and 20 minutes, but it could take about 3 hours.
Probably with me.
I didn't want to say that. I'm glad Karen said it for me.
You were thinking it.
So yeah, let's go and have an adventure. Beautiful day. Just checking my OS map before we set off. Yeah, we're on the right route. And what a great day for a hike. Mountains coming into view now. You've got Foel Gron over there, and next to it, the bigger one, is Moel Elio. And me and Simon done a video and a wild camp up there in the summer. Was it this year? Oh, I don't know. Might have been, yeah, last year, 2024 it was. And that's when somebody tripped over my guy line at 2 o'clock in the morning. So if you want to see that video, I'll leave a card up there. Right, moving on. Bit boggy in places. And then you hit some frozen sections, which is good. And the path is just over there. Right, love? Not far to go.
Look at it. Another hour. Oh.
See the path? I just seen there's a guy walking up there. He just come past us. But it looks like a gradual ascent. Nothing too major.
Not for you, no.
And there's a few routes up to this mountain. You can either go from Eryri. We come from Eryri, which is back down there. Yeah, this looks more of the gentler route, I suppose you could say. But anyway, as I've never been up there before, we'll soon see what it's like. And like I said earlier, stunning day for a hike. Got the Nutall Ridge over there. So where we come from, right over there, just kept following the path up. Stunning view over there, mind, of Moel Elio and the other mountains. We got the part now where it's just going to be ascending all the way up. Got myself a can of Red Bull, and apparently Red Bull gives you wings, so I'm going to drink this and I'm going to be flying up to the summit. Want some Red Bull, Karen?
No, thank you, darling. I'll stick to my nuts and water.
It might help you, you never know. hat on. It's getting a bit cold now around my ever decreasing hairline. How are you finding it?
So, I haven't done anything for months.
I haven't done much hiking, to be fair, but we're about 200 metres away from the summit, so not too bad. This looks interesting. Let's go and have a look at what that is. Definitely a cave of some sort.
Fall in, I'm not going to get you.
I'll be back now. Is that it? That's it. It looked better from outside there. Karen is way back down there. She has told me to carry on, which I'm going to do. Head up to the summit, and then she'll have to try and catch me up. Thing is, I could be waiting down there for half hour for her, and we're going to be all bloody day otherwise. So I'm going to carry on, and hopefully at the top get some epic views. Just taking my beanie off. God, it's warm now. Don't know if you can see Karen, she's way down there. Lydia Vower poking his head up above the other mountains now. Yeah. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. You can see Carnarvon Castle in the distance. Obviously you won't see it on the GoPro because there's naff all zoom on a GoPro, so even if I zoomed it in you wouldn't see it probably. "84 metres to go. Just under 13 minutes to the summit." Well, I think I can see the summit, and it's right by there. I can see the summit, but I can't see Karen. She is way back. I think she's down there and a bit further down again. Right, let's get to the top. There's the summit. So let's go and tap out. So this is the summit of Mynydd Mawr, 698 metres, also known locally as Elephant Mountain. There's the summit there. Yeah, also known locally as Elephant Mountain, because from a certain angle it does look like an elephant, but yeah, Mynydd Mawr, that's another Nutall in the books. So yeah, I don't know where Karen is though. Nowhere to be seen. But I'll do a 360 now and show you around. National Ridge over there. Yeah, absolutely stunning. Right, I'll bring you back when Karen makes it up here. We're probably going to have a rest and a good old Welsh cake. While I'm waiting for Karen, I'm going to have a little mooch around and try and find some wild camping spots. And as wild camping spots go, these look pretty good. They look fairly level and flat. And I tell you what, the views, you've got 360 views, absolutely amazing. And if we can come back and get weather like this, it's going to be awesome. Yeah, it's a bit rocky around. There are a lot of rocks around. But yeah, plenty of places to pitch. That was one of my main objectives when I come up here. Obviously to knock off another summit, but to have a look around as well. So yeah, looks pretty good, pretty good. We'll be back. Well done, Karen. You alright?
2 hours later.
Well, you've made it to the summit. Well, almost.
I get too old for this shit.
Stunning views, mind, isn't it?
You know, my vision's all blurry. Lack of oxygen.
You're alright, there's not much altitude.
Oh. Gorgeous. Is that connect? No.
That's her Aaron, that is.
Yeah, there's connect over there.
Her Aaron's over there. You've got the Snowdon range there, haven't you?
That's a Snowdon, is it?
That's Snowdon up there. Yeah.
I thought I saw a lake there. Oh,
Well, you've reached the summit.
I have. Can I go home now?
Well done, Karen. You did well.
Not really.
Do you fancy a Welsh cake?
Yes. That's why I bought them. Shame somebody didn't bring their cooker with them to make coffee, isn't it? Dickhead.
Dickhead. I'm leaving that in the video.
You meant to.
Right. Let's have a sit down. Welsh cake. And then, yeah. That's what we're going to do. Right, time to go. Time to get off the mountain. the summit is up there, and the silence was shattered by a load of blokes on scramblers. So yeah, Karen's got a bit of a head start on me. That was only a short video, guys, just more of a recce mission really, to find some wild camping spots and knock off another summit. So I'm going to head back down now, and I'll see you on the next video. Ta-ra, guys.